Have you ever installed a Windows update or driver that completely messed up your PC? Fixing it usually means hours of troubleshooting, or even reinstalling Windows. Microsoft thinks it has a better solution. In the latest Windows 11 update, it's introducing Point-in-Time Restore, along with a few other useful improvements. Let's take a look. The biggest highlight of this update is Point-in-Time Restore, and it's one of the most useful recovery features Microsoft has added in years. If you've ever wished you could turn your PC back to the way it was before something went wrong, that's exactly what this feature is designed to do. You will find it in your Settings, System, and then in the Recovery. At first, it may sound like the old System Restore, but Microsoft has taken the concept much further. Traditional System Restore mainly focused on Windows system files and certain settings. Point-in-Time Restore is much more comprehensive. Microsoft says it can restore Windows system files, installed applications, system settings, configuration, and even local user files, bringing your PC much closer to the exact state it was in when the restore point was created. Think of it like creating snapshots of your computer. If a Windows update introduces bugs, a newly installed driver causes crashes, or an application breaks your system, you can roll your PC back to an earlier snapshot instead of spending hours trying to figure out what changed. You get option to turn the feature on, the snapshots will automatically get captured, there is option to change the frequency and retention, but these options are disabled. These are only available to Enterprise Edition Windows users. However, Windows takes the snapshot every 24 hours and keep them up to 72 hours by default. So you don't have to remember to make one before installing updates or new software. The oldest ones gets deleted first when their retention time expires. You can manage the disk usage if not these. Use the slider to adjust it. If Windows becomes unbootable, Point-in-Time Restore can also be accessed through the Windows Recovery environment. That means you still have a chance to recover your system without immediately reinstalling Windows. It's important to remember that this isn't a replacement for a proper backup. If you accidentally delete an important file weeks later, you should still rely on backups. This feature is rolling out gradually with the latest Windows 11 update, so if you don't see it yet, don't worry. It may arrive in a future rollout. Microsoft has also made a small but welcome improvement to Windows Update. Many users prefer waiting a few days before installing new updates, just in case early bugs are discovered. Instead of repeatedly extending updates 1 week at a time, Windows now provides a much cleaner interface for pausing updates, making it easier to choose how long you want to delay them. It's a simple quality of life improvement, but one that many Windows users will appreciate. The Widgets panel has also received some attention. Microsoft has reduced visual clutter and organized the feed more effectively, making weather, news, and other information easier to browse without feeling overloaded. It's not a dramatic redesign, but it makes the Widgets panel feel cleaner and less distracting than before. If you use PhoneLink to connect your Android phone with your Windows PC, you'll notice another practical improvement. Previously, incoming calls could immediately switch audio to your computer even before you answered the call. With this update, the phone continues ringing normally, and audio only transfers to your PC after you've answered. It's a small change, but it makes the entire calling experience feel much more natural. Laptop users also get a useful new customization option. Windows now allows you to adjust the size of the touchpad area used for one-finger right-click gestures. While this may sound minor, it can make a noticeable difference if you often trigger accidental right-clicks or prefer a larger touch area for easier navigation. Alongside these major additions, Microsoft has included several smaller improvements in this update. Screen tint. Windows now lets you apply customizable screen tints to reduce eye strain and improve readability, especially during long hours of use or in low-light environments. File Explorer. Microsoft has continued refining File Explorer with performance improvements and, for eligible users, new quick actions like opening a file's location or sending it directly to Copilot. Bluetooth. Bluetooth reliability has also been improved, with better compatibility for devices like AirPods and Beats headphones, along with more stable connections and audio performance. These may not be headline features on their own, but together, they make Windows 11 feel a little more polished and reliable. Let me know what you think about these new additions. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next.